Here's a daylight walk around. Got the caution lights and brake lights done. Regulator up. Still got to put something in the back of them tanks. I really don't like it like that. But they solid. They definitely ain't going nowhere. Boxes are on. There's a few more things I need to do. Today's Saturday. I'll fiddle around tomorrow. Get some more things done. Wife painted the vise for me again. She painted it a few years ago. And she painted it again. She did a nice job. Got my jack stands, my chair, my bench. Cables are set up. Got to put my 8-gauge 50-footer on yet. Got the 7-gallon fuel tank attached to the compressor. Got all the driving lights, brake lights. Here's all the wiring for all the AC and the box lights and the work lights and my fire extinguisher that goes right there. It's just a 15-gallon sprayer. I don't have it installed yet because I'm feeling things out. Welder set up. Boxes are done. Got to put some clamps on them. Got all the umbrellas loaded. She's ready to rock and roll. Time for this thing to start paying me some money. Took it for a ride. Riding good. It's a dog. We're going to add 75 horsepower to it in a couple months. I'm going to run it for a little while. Make sure it's even worth putting the money into it. I'm going to take a nighttime video with the lights on, and then I'll post them. Thanks for watching.